I think for me, as a parent, watching my children learn through play, through exploration, through experimentation, and the way they discover the world around them, I was amazed by that. And then I think what the PYP does, it really harnesses that natural curiosity into the education system. So I think it's very exciting to think of a curriculum where we are able to think about the children's natural curiosity and really use that in the learning. So we have the engagement of the students immediately. And the way the PYP looks at exploring local and global issues through that inquiry process, I think is really, really powerful. And within the PYP, we're teaching students how to learn, not just what they're learning, but it's all about how they're learning. Through the approaches to learning, we're developing the whole child in a holistic manner through the learner profile attributes. And it's in the PYP, it's not about teaching subjects individually, it's about finding those connections between the different subjects. And I think that really leads into the interconnectedness of the world that we're living in today, and it teaches students about those connections. And that really sets them up for a future in an ever-changing world that we're living in at the moment.